Unraveling the Meaning of Deep Set. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we are going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, deep set. This phrase is quite interesting and can be used in different contexts to convey various meanings. So, grab a notebook and let's get started on unraveling the secrets of deep set together. Deep set is an adjective that is commonly used to describe something that is set far back or is deeply ingrained or embedded. It is a compound word, combining deep, meaning at a considerable distance inward, and set, meaning to put or place something in a particular position. Example 1. When we talk about someone's eyes, we can say they have deep-set eyes. This means that their eyes are set further back in their skull, creating a more prominent brow ridge. Example 2. The phrase can also be used metaphorically to describe characteristics or feelings. For example, she has a deep-set belief in honesty, meaning she strongly believes in being honest, and this belief is firmly established in her values. The pronunciation of deep set is straightforward, with emphasis on the first syllable, deep set. When using deep set in a sentence, it is important to ensure that it is relevant to the context, especially when used metaphorically. It works best when describing something that is not only set back or embedded but also has a sense of permanence or long-standing nature. Understanding synonyms and antonyms can help broaden your usage of deep set and enhance your vocabulary. Synonyms: ingrained, embedded, entrenched. Antonyms: superficial, shallow, surface. And there you have it, a comprehensive look at the meaning and usage of deep set. Whether it's describing physical features or characteristics and beliefs, deep set adds a layer of depth and intensity to your descriptions. We hope this video has been informative and helpful in understanding this unique phrase. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more language learning content. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.